In this video, we will be learning household chores vocabulary in English with pictures. Make the bed. Make the bed. I make the bed of my room every day. She helped her mom in making the bed. Open the window. Open the window. I will open the window to let in some fresh air. Don't open the window at night. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. I have to do my laundry today. Have you done with doing the laundry? Hang out the clothes. Hang out the clothes. I need to hang out the clothes on the clothes line. She is hanging the washed clothes. Fold out the cloths. Fold out the cloths. I have to fold out my clothes after wash. I help my mom in folding out the clothes. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Don't forget to take out the trash every day. I have to take out the garbage. Iron. Iron. I need to iron my t-shirt. I iron my clothes every day. Set the table. Set the table. They set the table for dinner. She helps her mom in setting up the table. Do the dishes. Do the dishes. Will you please do the dishes for me? She helps her mom in doing the dishes. Dry the dishes or wipe the dishes. He dry the dishes carefully. She wipes the dishes with a dry cloth. Clean the window. Clean the window. Clean the window, please. Why you didn't clean the window for 3 days? Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. I need to sweep the floor. She starts her day by sweeping the floor. Change the sheets. Change the sheets. I need to change the sheets of my bed. She changes the sheets of her bed weekly. Dust the furniture. Dust the furniture. She dusts all the furniture daily. I need to dust the furniture today. Feed the dog. Feed the dog. I need to feed the dog before leaving house. Don't forget to feed the dog every day. Wash the car. Wash the car. We do car washing every morning. I help my father in washing the car. Cut the grass. Cut the grass. I will cut the grass this weekend. I help my mom to quickly cut the grass.